Today we're going to talk about this attractive 57-year-old lady who was concerned with this marionette line, her jawline, and this neck laxity. But as you can see, she's got a thin neck, she doesn't have a lot of banding in their neck, and she doesn't have a horrible amount of neck laxity, so that made her a good candidate for what we refer to as a limited incision lower facelift, which means we did all of the work around the ear. So I know you can't really see it because that's kind of the idea, is not be able to see her incisions, but there's a little incision along that hairline, front of the ear. Then we went inside behind this cartilage, around the earlobe and up and around the back. And so all the work for this lift is done just in this preauricular area. But because of the way that the musculature transmits all the forces, we're still able to get a really nice improvement in the neck, as well as good improvement in the jawline and the marionette line. So of course the lateral view is the best way to show this neck improvement. You can see that skin neck laxity and how much nicer that neck angle is. And then of course this is great for showing you how clean the jawline is. And of course your marionette line and this little bit of sagging tissue there got better as well. So that procedure can be done with local anesthesia alone, which most people don't do, but some people do. We do about half with cocktail of oral sedation only, so a sedative, a pain medication, and anti-nausea medication you just take by mouth, and then some local anesthetic. And then about half of people choose to have IV sedation, so it just depends. But the really great thing about it is that all the bruising is focused just kind of right in front of the ear and right down the upper neck. And so you really have this quick recovery period where really right after sutures come out, 2 days later you can put a little concealer on the incisions and you're able to be out and about in public and be completely social. So 8 or 9 days of recovery, which is really good for a lower facelift with those kind of results.